Jai Hind and welcome to all. Saraswati Sister Kunj Gogwala, English Medium, Board Sir, Standard First, Subject English. Poem 2, My Gingerbread House. G-I-N-G-E-R, Ginger, B-R-E-A-D, bread, H-O-U-S-E, house. My gingerbread house. Now what is the meaning of gingerbread? Gingerbread house means a cake which is made of ginger. Okay? Now see, here you can see one picture. Now tell this one, which picture is this? House. Okay? So, label the parts of the house. Now in this house, which things you can see? Okay? See, first one is roof. R-O-O-F, roof. So this is roof. Now second, which picture is this? Window. W-I-N-D-O-W, window. W-I-N-D-O-W, window. Now next, which picture is this? Door. D-O-O-R, door. And see here, then which picture is this? What is this? Wall. W-A-L-L, wall. Okay? So this is one type of cake, and the shape of the cake is like a house which is made of ginger. Okay? Now let's learn hard words. Now let's learn hard words. So first one is ginger. G-I-N-G-E-R, ginger. Now second one is door. D-O-O-R, door. D-O-O-R, door. Now next one is window. W-I-N-D-O-W, window. W-I-N-D-O-W, window. Next, R-O-O-F, roof. R-O-O-F, roof. W-A-L-L, wall. W-A-L-L, wall. S-W-E-E-T, sweet. S-W-E-E-T, sweet. Next, F-L-O-O-R, floor. F-L-O-O-R, floor. Okay? Next, S-U-N-D-A-Y, Sunday. M-O-N-D-A-Y, Monday. T-U-E-S-D-A-Y, Tuesday. W-E-D-N-E-S-D-A-Y, Wednesday. T-H-U-R-S-D-A-Y, Thursday. F-R-I-D-A-Y, Friday. And last one is S-A-T-U-R-D-A-Y, Saturday. I repeat it again. Ginger, door, window, roof, wall, sweet, floor, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. Now let's learn word meaning. Now word meaning. First one is gingerbread. Gingerbread means a cake or cookie made with ginger. Okay? a cake or cookie made with ginger, it is called gingerbread. Second one is sugary. Sugary. Sugary means tasting like sugar. Okay, sugary means tasting like sugar. Third one is lasted. L-A-S-T-E-D. Lasted means remain. R-E-M-A-I-N-E-D. Remain. And last one is C-R-U-M-B-S. Crumbs. Now crumbs means small pieces. Small pieces. P-I-E-C-E-S. Pieces. See, gingerbread means a cake or cookie made with ginger. Sugary means tasting like sugar. Lasted means remain. And crumbs means small pieces. Now let's read the poem.
Let's read the poem. I made a house of gingerbread. Now what is the meaning of gingerbread? So gingerbread means a cake or cookie made with ginger. Its shapes look like a house. It was so sugary sweet. It means the cake was very sweet. It took me a long time to make. The boy says, it took me a long time to make. But it lasted just a week. It means lasted means remain. But it remained just a week. Now Monday, I ate the roof. The boy says Monday he ate the roof of the cake. And Tuesday he ate the door. Tuesday he ate the door. Wednesday I ate the windows. Okay, Wednesday the boy ate the windows. Thursday he ate the floor. Thursday he ate the floor. Friday I ate the 4 walls. Okay, the house has 4 walls. Friday he ate the 4 walls. Saturday I ate the lawn. Saturday he ate the lawn. And Sunday I licked up the crumbs. C-R-U-M-B-S. Crumbs means small pieces. Now Sunday the boy ate the small pieces of the cake. And my gingerbread house is gone. Okay, it means the gingerbread house is gone.
Write the rhyming word from the bracket. You have to write rhyming words. Okay? Say bracket, 4 words are given: mouse, gone, fall, and thumb. So you have to find out answers from the bracket. Rhyming words means the same sounding, right? So first one is L-A-W-N, lawn. Now what is the rhyming word of lawn same sounding? Gone. So G-O-N-E, gone. Lawn, gone. Second one is H-O-U-S-E, house. So house, mouse. M-O-U-S-E, mouse. House, mouse. Third one is wall. W-A-L-L, wall. Wall, fall. Wall, fall. Fourth one is C-R-U-M-B, crumb. So crumb, thumb. Crumb, thumb. Okay? See, lawn, gone. House, mouse. Wall, wall. And crumb, thumb. Then door was eaten on Tuesday. 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 Okay. The door was eaten on Tuesday. Third one is the windows were eaten on Wednesday. 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 The windows were eaten on Wednesday. The floor was eaten on Thursday. Thursday. The floor was eaten on Thursday. Fifth number, the walls were eaten on. So the walls were eaten on Friday. Friday. The lawn was eaten on Saturday. Saturday. And last, the crumbs. Crumbs. Crumbs means small pieces. Okay, small pieces of the cake. The crumbs was eaten on Sunday. Sunday. So, roof was eaten on Monday. The door was eaten on Tuesday. The windows were eaten on Wednesday. The floor was eaten on Thursday. The walls were eaten on Friday. The lawn was eaten on Saturday. And last one is the crumbs was eaten on Sunday. Okay, I hope you all are understood very well. And in worksheet also you have to write answers yourself. If you want to write right answer, you have to see the video first. Okay, thank you.